Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install macOS Catalina on a Windows laptop. First open your browser and download OpenCore package and Rufus. I'll leave all the necessary links down in the description. Make sure you download the latest release of both of them. After that, open File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. Extract the OpenCore zip file. Open the OpenCore folder and go to Utilities. Then open the Mac Recovery folder. If you don't have Python installed, go to Microsoft Store, type Python, and download the latest release. Open Command Prompt as administrator. In the terminal, type cd and copy and paste the path of the Mac Recovery script. Then hit enter. Then go to the Mac Recovery folder again and open the recovery URL text file. Copy the Catalina Mac Recovery URL and paste it into the terminal. After you paste it, type download in the end and hit enter. With this script, we will grab the recovery files for Catalina, so let it do its thing. When the download is finished, we can see a new folder appear in Mac Recovery folder named com.apple.recovery.boot. After that, we have to download the EFI files for our specific CPU. All the links are in the description. From here you can download the EFI that suits to your CPU. Mine is Haswell, so that's the EFI that I'm going to download. You can see your CPU's nickname using an app called CPU-Z. When the download is finished, extract the EFI zip file. After that, open Rufus. Plug in your USB drive with at least 4 GB of storage. Under the boot selection menu, choose non-bootable. Leave the rest as they are and click on Start. Wait till the process is finished. After that, open the EFI folder and rename the folder inside as EFI. Then copy and paste it to your USB drive. Then you have to copy and paste the com.apple.recovery.boot folder to your USB drive. When this process is done, plug your USB drive to the target laptop and hit the F-BIOS key to enter the BIOS setup. In your BIOS setup, change the boot order so your laptop boots from your USB drive. Click Apply and exit the setup. Hit Enter to boot from the USB. Now you have to wait for the system to boot into the recovery setup. Go to Disk Utility. Click on View All Devices from the top left corner. Select your hard drive and click on Erase. Name it as MacOS and hit Erase again. Click Done and exit the disk utility. Then select Reinstall macOS. Click Continue and agree to the terms. Select your hard drive and click on Install. And now you have to be patient because this might take some time depending on your hardware and your internet connection speed. When this process is done, your computer will restart, so make sure, when it boots, you choose the macOS installer option. After you choose this, the installation will be continued. Now you have to complete. We have to do one last step to complete the installation. We must copy the EFI folder from the USB drive to the EFI in our hard drive in order to boot from it from now on. Type Mount EFI in your browser and download the zip file from GitHub. Open the Mount EFI folder, right-click on Mount EFI command and click Open. Type your hard drive's number and hit Enter. Copy the EFI folder from the USB drive to the EFI of your hard drive. And that's it. Restart your PC and make sure to change the boot sequence to boot first from your hard drive. Enjoy your macOS PC.